In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage multiple emails in one Gmail account. This is a handy feature for those wanting to consolidate correspondence from different sources without the hassle of logging into multiple accounts. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and ensure you're signed into your primary Gmail account. It's also a good idea to have the account credentials for any additional email addresses you wish to manage within your Gmail. Keep these ready, as you'll need them shortly. Now, head to the settings icon in the top right corner of your Gmail dashboard. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, select See All Settings. This action will take you to a comprehensive settings page where you can fine-tune various aspects of your Gmail experience. Once you're in the settings menu, look for the Accounts and Import tab. Click on it to proceed. This section is vital because it's where you'll add the additional email accounts that will funnel into your primary Gmail. Here, you'll find an option that says Add a Mail Account. Click on this to initiate the setup process. In the new window that appears, enter the email address you wish to associate with your primary Gmail account. For instance, if you have an old Yahoo or Outlook email, type it in and press Next. You will then have the option to link this account using POP3 protocol. This allows Gmail to fetch emails from the other account and display them directly in your Gmail inbox. After proceeding, you'll be asked to enter the credentials for the additional email account, such as the username and password. Be sure to fill this in accurately. Gmail will also prompt you to specify a few settings. Typically, leaving them as default is perfectly fine, but you can customize these according to your needs. Once finished, click Add Account. At this stage, you can also decide whether to label incoming messages so that emails from different accounts are easily distinguishable. Using labels helps you stay organized and ensures that you can quickly identify where each email is coming from within your inbox. Whether you choose to add labels now or tweak them later, the flexibility is yours. Finally, one essential feature is setting up the ability to send mail as one of your secondary accounts directly from Gmail. This helps in keeping the illusion of separate email identities while maintaining the simplicity of single account management. To do this, return to the Accounts and Import tab, click Send Mail As, and follow the prompts to enter the required information. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully consolidated multiple email accounts into your primary Gmail, streamlining your email management. Keep exploring Gmail's features to further enhance your productivity. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.